glorious flowers swaying in a gentle breeze. But concealed in this apparent tranquility is every insect's nightmare, a crab spider, waiting for pollen-loving creatures. Like a chameleon, this little spider blends into the flower of its choice. Waiting to ambush an unsuspecting fly. Waiting for the perfect moment to pounce. Having a good grip on its victim, the crab spider must now secure its prey from prying eyes. It needs to find cover before enjoying the feast. Although the grasshopper is a vegetarian, one can never be too careful. After all, the spider looks very much like a tasty yellow petal. The spider's pedipalps get to work, and very soon the little fly is first course on the spider's banquet. A quick inspection to make sure all the best bits are finished. Leftovers are hung out to dry. No time to waste. Another visitor has popped in for supper. But was not happy with the menu, not to mention the host. Patience, the sweet smell of nectar must prove irresistible. Especially to a bee. Time to prepare for supper. In position and arms open, just waiting to give the bee a welcome hug. A hug. And a bite, and the bee is a goner. A guest for dinner? No, not for this cautious little male crab spider. And once again, to avoid sharing its bounty with anyone, it's back under cover to enjoy the spoils alone.